present down here for an on-time arrival. Current weather, light winds, few scattered clouds, temperature is about 4 degrees.
Welcome to the Kawasaki Lincoln facility. This plant is about 2.3 million square feet in size. We have about 1,300 employees. So this machine was built in 1990 by Kawasaki in Japan. At that time, it was the most technologically advanced molding operation in North America. 21 years later, actually it still is. How this process works is raw fiberglass material comes to us. We cut it to size. From there we put it into a loading cart. The material properties, the material loading has to be very precise. These products go through a huge amount of abuse, so strength is very important. This is a Kawasaki robot. We've attached a water jet cutting system to it, and our engineers designed that here in-house. We use high pressure water to cut holes into the deck. The fit and finish of our product is decided here when we put these holes in. We're now in the SMC paint shop where we paint the jet ski decks, go through an inspection process, and if it passes, it goes onto our polish line. The hull then transfers over to the jet ski assembly line carts.
This is the best hull ever!
On the jet ski assembly line, every operator can stop the line at any point in time when they have a problem. That way we keep quality and our efficiency at a very high level. We're at the engine assembly location on the jet ski assembly line. This is where we install the most powerful engine in the personal watercraft industry. After we're done assembling the hull, we go into the leak check tank. We have to make sure there's no water leakage into the hull. After leak check, we go over to the hull and deck bonding process. The robot applies adhesive to the deck. After the robot applies the adhesive, we marry it to the hull, and then it goes into the heated bonding press to facilitate the curing of the product. These guys are really particular, spend a lot of time looking over each product before it gets graded.